Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maesari with student number 1910513010. Here, I want to present about the difference between stackelberg and cournot model. And we continue to the cournot model. What is the cournot model? And cournot model is oligopoly model in which each firms assume that rivals will continue producing their current output levels. And each firm chooses its quantity of output to maximize its profit, taking the other firm's output as given. And given the reverse quantity, the firm maximized its profit by picking the quantity where marginal revenue equals marginal cost, like monopolies facing the residual demand curve. And each firm quantity depends on the quantity of its rival, a relationship known as a reaction curve. And the equilibrium quantities for the firms occur at the interaction of the two reaction curves, one of each firm. And the next, the example of the cournot model. Suppose have linear demand curve P equal 56 minus 2Q with constant marginal cost equal 20, and the firm's wants marginal revenue equals 56 minus 2Q2 minus Q1, and set marginal revenue to marginal cost and solve for firm's wants output in terms of firm 2's output. And the firm's wants reaction curve 20 equals 56 minus 2Q2 minus 4Q1. And the R1 times Q2 equals Q1 equals 9 minus 1 divided 2 times Q2. The bisymmetry from 2's reaction curve is R2 times Q1 equal Q2 equal 9 minus 1 divided 2 times Q2. And the substitute from to reaction curve into firms 1 to find firms 1 optimal quantity. And the formulas Q1 equals 9 minus 1 divided 2 times Q2, and the Q1 equals 9 minus 1 divided 2 times 9 minus 1 divided 2 times Q1, and the Q1 equals Q2 equals 6. And the next, the quantity of each firms Q1 equal Q2 equals 6, and the total quantity Q equal Q1 plus Q2 equal 12, and the price P equals 56 minus 2Q equals 56 minus 2 times 12 equals 32. And the profit P minus C times Q equals 32 minus 20 times 6 equals 72. And the industry profit 2 times 72 equals 144. And next, we continue to stackelberg model. What is the stackelberg model? And we know that stackelberg model is an oligopoly model in which one firm or the leader pick its quantity before the other firms or the follower. And the example of the stackelberg model, residual demand facing the leader is P equals 56 minus 2Q2 minus 2Q1, then 56 minus 2 times 9 minus 1 divided 2 Q1 minus 2Q1, and the P equals 38 minus Q1, and the marginal revenue equals 38 minus 2Q1. And the P quantity to set a marginal revenue for leader equal to marginal cost 20 equals 38 minus 2Q1, and the Q1 equals 9. And the follower from 2 will respond by picking Q2 equals 9 minus 1 divided 2 times 9 equals 4 times 5. And the next, total quantity Q equals Q1 plus Q2 equals 9 plus 4 times 5 equal 13 times 4 times 5. The price P equals 56 minus 2K equals 56 minus 2 times 13 times 5 equals 28, 229. And the follower profit P minus C times K2 equals 29 minus 20 times 4 times 5 equals 40 times 5. And the industry profit 81 plus 40 times 5 equals 121 times 5. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.